Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Which of the following choices would replace the blanks below? Now, first thing that we need to know is the pattern of these letters arrangement. So, here is where we can find the pattern. There are three X's after which there are two Y's. X, 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 then two Y's, and then the pattern repeats. So, with this information, see, this is the pattern of letter arrangement. Letter arrangement. So here there are three X's, so this has to be a Y. So let's write this down. We have Y, Y, triple X, double Y. Then we have X in this blank. Then again X, Y, this blank is Y, then triple X, then this is Y, Y, then triple X, then double Y, then we have an X here. Not here, the middle one is missing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are the required 5 blanks. So the order will be Y, X, Y, Y, X. So answer is, yes, answer is option D.